See, rooftop already finished waterproofing. So this is old house. This 70 years old. This house nearby house. This is nearby house. So already testing water testing, checking any place leaking or not. Already done waterproofing. So flushing part I apply fire membrane, then fiber mesh. Here is a fiber mesh. So looking very nice. Looking very nice. Already done rooftop waterproofing. See, flushing area all put fire membrane. This is flushing area. So apply fire membrane. This is gutter. Already done gutter. Now no leaking. See water testing. No leaking. Before same house, same color. So washing, then after apply this sealant, PU sealant. After apply acrylic waterproofing. Very nice.